Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In this simple video I'm going to be showing you today's daily cipher word, which is dag. So like the past tense of dig. Okay, then we line up the letters, then we find the corresponding Morse codes. So we look for D is here, as you can see, long press, tap tap. D is long press, tap tap. Then we find A is here, it's tap, long press. A is tap, long press. Then we find G is here, long press, tap, long press, tap, long press, tap. Then let us get the phone and we enter in the Morse code. As always, click here in the middle where you're seeing Daily Cipher. Till that button turns red, then let us enter the Morse code. We say D is long press, tap tap, that's D. Then A, tap, long press. Then G, long press, tap, and the word is dag. Lastly, click on take the price and you will be good to go. Good job, CEO. Peace. I'll see you in the next video.